when it comes to the marijuana market, there are a lot of investors that are out there scratching their heads, wondering what the next route's going to be. Okay. At the end of the day, they're trying to get to huge profits, and we're floating in uncharted waters right now. But if one would be able to dust between all the confusion and the uncertainty, that one will be able to see that there's an opportunity for tremendous income. All right. Now, with the help of a colleague and some research of my own, I was able to come across this website here on the screen. And I need people who are watching this to really think of marijuana as a commodity, both medically and recreationally. It's a business, bottom line. Now, aside from growing the product itself and establishing distribution chains, there's one essential aspect that one needs to focus on. Okay, they don't know where the marijuana is going to be housed, and oftentimes where it's going to be housed. Okay, now here's where this company comes into play to solve that problem. This company is known as Innovative Industrial Properties Inc. They're based out of San Diego, California. And what I'm sharing with you today is something that I've coined as Cannabis Cash. Not sure if somebody else is already out there calling it that. That's what we're going to call this video today. Okay, and what it's going to allow people who are willing to apply this to do is to be able to move strategically through this company, which is ultimately a real estate investment company. Okay, and these people specialize in industrial and greenhouse structures and top condition for cannabis growth. And right now, the company's portfolio spreads throughout 11 states. I want you all to be able to see that for yourself, be able to see if your state is on here. All right, there we go. And say right now, currently, the property is hard for the marijuana industry. Okay, as you all may know, you have the banks that aren't allowing them to secure certain finances. You also have merchant services companies that are shutting them down left and right. Okay, so it's really hard on them right now. They're having to resort to large non-cash transactions, which many could flag as fraud, and so they're having their fair share of issues. Now, here's the good news. Okay, we all know marijuana's because of its popularity, it's going to be a very viable market, and there's room for enormous growth. Right at this current moment, they're projecting the growth to be around $22.2 billion in the year 2022. Okay. Now, here's the other part in regards to this company. Okay, it is required by means of regulation to distribute dividends of at least 90% of its taxable income to the shareholders quarterly. Now, tell me that isn't some cannabis cash. All right. You guys can definitely take your time to do some more research on the company. Just some quick little notes that I think let you guys know about. I in no way am endorsing this company. I don't get a salary or commission from this company. I'm just sharing information. At this current moment, year to date, the organization is reporting condo revenues of 6.6 million in the first quarter, which is a 146% increase in comparison to last year's quarter. And then they've also seen a 51,000 square foot industrial property in Pennsylvania, which sits in additional locations to what they have in California. All right. Now here's the deal, family. The bottom line is dividends are top class fundings that in no way you'll go out of style and will usually thrive in new markets like you can in this particular market. Okay, but you can rest confident, okay, that with this, if you use this cannabis cash, as we are going to coin it today, that the innovative industrial properties will continue to roll in and will grow in cost as the marijuana enterprise matures. And also, IIPR is they have a splendid addition to your portfolio if you grow it. If you're in the investing, if you're not, it's a good one to start with. As the employer is surely developing and investing throughout the country. So using this cannabis cash can actually help you see consistent income, regardless of how unstable the markets can get. So we can go here, some little information on the company. And for other investors out there who are serious, this is really good stock. And this, as you can see, is as of today. You can go here. You'll see where we're at today, and then you can also see the history.